Hello, welcome back, friends. My YouTube channels. Myself Saurabh. In this video, we will discuss about introductions of cell. First, we talk about some important point are related to this topic. That is, the cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke. You know that Robert Hooke in 1665. Okay. Second point, the living cells cell was first discovered by Antony von Leeuwenhoek, okay, in 1675. You know that the term of cell is made from Latin word cellula, which means cell. Which means a small room. Okay. This is the most important point are related to this topic. You know that the cells was first time discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665 from the study of cork, ORR, with the study of cork. Second point is a very important. One question is that which discovered the living cells, then your answer is the living cells was first time discovered by Antony von Leeuwenhoek. You know that the Antony von Leeuwenhoek discovered the living cells with the study of dirty water with the help of microscope. Okay, some importance are related to this topic, that is, or like that. We say that firstly, cell is the basic unit of any living organism. Cell is the basic unit of any living organism. Okay, the second point, all animals is made from cell. Okay. Third point, all cell come from pre-existing cell. Pre-existing cell. This is the very important points are related to this topic. Cell is the basic unit of life. It is the most important. Friends, you know that. Therefore, bricks is the unit of any buildings. Similarly, any organism's body is made from teeny numbers of particles known as cell. Okay. Second point is a very important. All animals is made from cell. And third is all cell come from pre-existing cell. You know that by the process of cell divisions. Next we talk about shape of cell. Next we talk about shape of cell. Okay, shape of cell. You know that shape of cell. You know that cell have many shape, and the cell shape is vary from one organism to another organism. Okay, like that one cell to another cells also vary. Okay, like that cylindricals, hexagonals, oval, etc. You know that RBC extend for red blood corpuscles is a Balusahi shape. You know that about Balusahi. Balusahi is a sweet, and the shape of RBC is a Balusahi. Okay. Next we talk about size of cell. The size of cell is vary from one organism to next organism or another organisms. The size of cell ostrich. When we talk about the largest size of cell, then we can say ostrich egg is a very large cell. And their size is 170 into 135 mm. Okay, and next we talk about very small cells. Then we can say small cells is PPLO, now called MLO. PPLO stands for pleuro pneumonia like organisms. Okay, and MLO stands for mycoplasma like organisms, and their size is vary from 0.3 mm to 0.5 mm. Okay, this is a very small cell. No? Okay, these are the relative to introductions of cell. Friends, when you like my video, please like, subscribe my channels. Thank you for watching.